Hi guys, today we've decided to start parting out this Ranger that you've seen a time or two on the channel. Well, there's still some good parts for sale. You know, like this headlight, it's slightly used. You know, that'll be it for sale. And this door. This door, this genuine good parts right here, slightly used. I mean, we'll clean it up for you, you know, maybe get rid of the stickers, whatnot. This barely needs any Bondo, you know. Just a few, like 4 or 5 inches worth of Bondo there. That'll be good. So let's pull this door off real quick, get it ready for marketplace. Well, that's the strongest door I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah. Hold on, guys.
Tear it off of there, come on.
Battery! Where are you going?
I'll get it off of there.
Okay.
Oh, it ain't coming off of there.
Yeah.
Dude.
Ooh.
Yeah, I guess it ain't coming off there. So we tried everything.
Top corner, remember?
Got to be very careful. I want to break that perfectly good back glass now.
It's not gonna blow up, is it?
I don't know. You gotta do it harder than that.
That's as hard as I can.
There you go.
It's not as thick as what it felt like. I was waiting for you to back into it. Whoa!
Want me to?
Yes. I don't know. Oh, crap, dude.
I didn't even see that little truck sitting there. Man, maybe my glasses are too dark. Oh, I should have went when the sun was in my eyes.
You're good. Hold on. Yeah.
Dude, it crunched it in the middle.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh. I think we're gonna have to find a new tow spot, bub. Oh. They're on your windshield.
Dude, did you see the way it was balancing on that?
Yeah.
I was hoping it would stay like that.
Crap, flip her back over.
Windshield's gone.
Oh, that's the passenger side. Gonna drag her the rest of the way?
Yeah, we'll drag her up into the
You'll
weeds.
probably flip back up. Phew. Smells like buble.
I don't know where that went.
I'm keeping this though.
Alright, I'll go back up.
The front end's working. Huh?
Look at this, bud. Not working now?
Oh. Oh.
There we go, guys. That right there is how you pull parts. A truck X-way. to be able to put this on marketplace, like, you know, $500.
That's reasonable.
See, I think see, you still got 3 perfectly good spots that you can put screws in here, you know.
Yeah.
Turn. Yeah. What, about $800, you think?
Maybe 1,000 on a good day.
Yeah, it's definitely worth $1,200.
Yeah.
You know, but don't worry. You know, if somebody wanted to make a deal, we'd probably let it go for $1,500.
Yep.
Yeah. Like, I understand people want to haggle a little bit. So yeah, I mean, if somebody offered me $1,600, we definitely let it go.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it should bring about $1,800.
Yep. Clean that off. Oh, that's the issue. It wasn't even in full speed. Oh, no. Should go for 200 more miles. Oh, and the park brake came undid. Oh, no.
Alright guys, after a long hard day of pulling parts to put on marketplace and sell, I think about all we've came up with that's good is this seat cover here. It's a genuine John Deere seat cover. You know, we're going to put that on the internet, probably something like $25,000 or $30,000. That should cover it. It's very lightly cracked, very wore out. But we are going to have to do something. We're going to have to buy some tools. So if you guys could please just like and subscribe and show your friends about us. You know, maybe we should start a GoFundMe page to get some tools for us. We're small town guys just trying to start our salvage yard. All we've got is a upside down Ranger and a John Deere lawnmower. But you know, I'm staying optimistic, guys. You know, this is a lot to start out with. We got 4 aluminum wheels. Well, no, 3 aluminum wheels and 1 steel wheel on the Ranger, and then we've got 4 slightly bent wheels on the lawnmower. You know, they say John Deere, but I think they'll fit a Cub Cadet as well, and they're already yellow. So, you know, if your grandma or your brother or your sister or your uncle, that is sometimes your dad, you know, has a Cub Cadet or John Deere lawnmower, let us know, you know, and he needs a slightly bent wheel. The tire, you can just have the tire for free. I think it's pretty well junk at this point. But that wheel, you know, once again, I'll take probably $15,000 or $20,000, you know. If you guys like this kind of content and like what we're doing here, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching us today. Hey, have an amazing evening. Let us know in the comments what you want us to do in the next video. We'll see you next time.